on. It's on. uh,
Jack it up, Mark.
alright.
Got his mic.
Yeah. You say jack it up.
Yeah.
Tell me when to stop.
Go ahead.
Alright.
Hold on.
Yeah, real surgeon.
You feel?
Go up one more time. Hold it there. Hold right there.
Talk to Mills today?
Oh no.
Oh, saying. For sure. Gotta go in here, huh?
Yeah. See, I'm lifting the damn car.
Yeah, I was gonna say you lifting the car up for real. Is that a wasp nest?
No.
Right there.
No. That's not a wall. That's like the tumor. When I try to push up on it, try to get that screw to go in there.
You try to put the screw in there while you push.
Yeah. Did it go through there? Oh,
It ain't coming up farther enough.
let me see.
Nah, it ain't going. It ain't.
I might have to try to let it come down in an angle.
Yeah, like this, right? And then go up.
Well, try to go through that side. Yeah, I'm saying like
I got more room on this side. I ain't gonna lie.
Shoot it like that. And I push up on it. Get it. Yeah. Angle down.
I was saying I could,
like that. Yeah.
I could tilt it more though on this side because I can't go up too far because this right here.
Mm-hmm.
Get on.
Come on, try to put it in while I push it. Loosen up just a little bit more. How much more can you go before you come out? Before you get all the way out.
I don't think I'm all the way out.
I'm saying, just come to the edge. Don't come all the way out. Just come to the edge. How much more you screw it down?
Oh, I ain't even screwed it.
Oh, so it still got to put in thread up there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, come on down some more. What'd you say?
I say action. We in roll now. Camera rolling now.
Oh. Well, YouTube, yesterday's take installment. Yeah, you just have to take these straps loose on both ends so they're so tight to keep it down. Tank in place. A little pushing.
She in though. Y'all see what's going on.
Now, plug up the battery. That's the for your fuel thing to read in the inside of the car. It should read empty.
What, this right here?
Yeah. You see I'm mic'd up. I got my mic right there.
My bad. I ain't even noticed you put the mic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it should read empty in the inside now.
Okay.
When you turn the switch.
Yeah.
So everything plugs back up. Cause this is for the fuel line.
I'm just saying though, smoke what you trying to say. Ain't a competition, I ain't even want my own race. I'm just here to get my paper, then I'm at your way. Chillin', but don't think I'm finna let you treat me anyway. I was putting a list together, probably put you on the plate. I'm just speaking fast as niggas got so much.
It should read. You turn the switch. Can you see where your gas hand at? Turn it forward. It did. It went to E. Yeah. That's it. What's your radio on? That's your radio? Making all that noise? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Turn the radio off, nigga. Alright. Yeah. Well, you're gonna find out. Alright. YouTube.
Yeah.
That 110 racing gas.
Yeah.
Purple. Y'all see how that gas look purple? That's racing gas.
That's it. Purple.
That's that 110. The well, they changed it up. The shit sometimes it's purple, sometimes it's blue.
Yeah.
110 or 117.
Yeah, I remember seeing you pouring some. I remember it looking blue at one point in time. Oh.
Well, YouTube, for all the racers, they know that shit $10 a gallon. It ought to register something. You'll know if it's right or not. It went straight to zero when you first turn the switch. It should read a little bit. I think that was maybe 2.5 gallons. Okay. You're gonna have to go get some more, cause it's sitting like this.
Yeah.
And they ain't up at like 2 gallons. Probably ain't enough to register on the float.
I'm just saying though, I'm just saying that. How you supposed to know? I'm just